In this video, I'm going to show you on how to style contact form 7 forms without coding in WordPress. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to add the contact form 7 plugin on your dashboard. And if you don't know how to do that, don't worry because I already created a video for that. Okay, so I'm just going to put the link on the description box or somewhere here on the screen. Okay, so let's proceed. So once you have the Contact Form 7 plugin, what you need to do is to go ahead and go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Once you're here, click on the Upload Plugin button at the upper part of your screen, and then you need to search for Ultimate Add-on, Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7. So enter. So it's this one. So click on Install now. So once it is installed, activate it as well. Okay? So now what you need to do next is to just go ahead and refresh your dashboard by clicking this reload page button at the upper part of your screen. Okay, so now as you can see, we have this new section at the left side of our screen. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here, so this video is focusing on the styling of the contact form 7 forms, right? So what you need to do is just go ahead and find this, the form styler and the form styler global. So you can just go ahead and, oh, it's pro. So I'm just going to use this one. But if you want to use this, you need to have the pro version of WordPress. So I'm going to use this one. As you can see here on the description, style your entire form without any CSS coding, including colors, margins, button styles, and font sizes. Okay, so if you want to view the demo, just go ahead and do that. So once we are here, what we need to do is just go ahead and click on Allow right over here. And then now, let's just go ahead and go with this one. So look at the left side of the screen and select Add New Form. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and show to you what this form looks like. So this is a basic form. Going to save it. So let's copy this. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and name it as demo form. Then paste the shortcode and click on publish. Now click on publish again. Okay, so let's just wait. Then let's just view the page. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the basic form, right? So if you want to level up your form without using code, just go ahead and go back to your dashboard. And then now let's just scroll down right over here and click on the yes to enable form styles. And then here we have these options. So let's start with color options. So it changes the text and background colors of the labels. So these are the labels, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so now let's select the color, going to green, or let's just go with, yeah, let's go with green. And for the background color, I want blue. And then let's just see the changes. Okay, so click on save, go right over here, refresh, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So just go ahead and edit it however you want. Okay, so let's proceed. For the font style, we have the normal or italic. I'm going to stick with normal. For the font weight, I'm going to select 500. Font size, so the ideal font size is 16, but let me just go ahead and go with 18. For the font name, just go ahead and select whatever you want. So let's select Roboto, padding. So let's just go ahead and see the changes before we proceed with the next one. Okay, so as you can see, it changes the font name, right? And the size of it. So now let's go ahead and go with padding. So the ideal measurement now is 16. So just go ahead and put whatever you like. So for the padding, so as you can see right over here, we have this blue box or rectangle, right? So as you can see, when I change the padding, let's just go ahead with 10 here. And now let's save it, refresh the page. As you can see, it looks like this. Okay, so just go ahead and experiment and see which one you like. Okay, but let me just go ahead and stick with this one so that we can proceed with the next one. Okay, so for the margin, I'm going to leave it like that. And then now for color options. Okay, so now what we need to do is again select a color. So let's choose block, the background color. Okay, so I want here is color purple and block. Okay, so for the font style, I'm going to select normal again. For the font weight, 500. Font size is 18. Font name, I'm going to go with Roboto again. For the height, that's what. So the height, I'm going to do 18. And padding again. Okay, but before we proceed with padding, let's just go ahead and see what it looks like right now. So as you can see, it's black in the background, but the text is this color, which is color purple, I believe, like that. So just go ahead and choose whatever you like. So it really depends on your style and your tastes. So now let's proceed with the button color. For the button color, let's select block. For the hover, yellow. Background color, let's say black, and change this one with the purple color. The hover, select purple. Okay, so font size is 18, normal, 500. Border style, I want it to be double. Border width, let's go with 8. Okay, border color, say with red so that we can see which one is which, right? So there, I'm going to do 10 like that. And again, click on the save button to see all of your changes. Okay, so don't forget to click on the save button, okay? So now let's refresh it, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, the submit button is now in double lined, the border, right? So that's it, okay? So that is how you style your contact form 7 forms without coding. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!